Hello, everybody. Well, last time we talked about the five most common issues that could come up during a home inspection. So today we're going to continue that conversation and talk about the five most costly issues that could potentially come up during an inspection. So I'm joined again by Glenn Miller of Your Castle Home Inspection. Glenn's been a home inspector for over 22 years, so he brings a wealth of knowledge and expertise on the subject. So we're happy to have him. Welcome back, Glenn.
Thanks.
So tell everybody, what are the most costly issues that you find during home inspections?
Okay, so we're going to just go through five things here. And we'll start with number one, would always be the roof. So a roof, after about 20 years, starts to show the end of its life expectancy. And a roof, depending on the size of the home, can be at low end around 10,000 to 20,000, maybe for average size single family. But of course, if you have a big, large house, it could be even more than that. And then second would be the exterior siding on the home. And approximate value price would be around $12,000 and up. And again, depending on the size of home and the type of siding that you purchase. And number three would be exterior windows. And they run nowadays at a minimum of around $500 per window to even as much as $900 each. And again, that would be dependent on the type of window you buy and the quality of window you buy. And then number four would be your deck, your exterior deck or your porch. Replacement of those has gone really high because of materials nowadays. And you're looking at probably around $10,000 for a small deck, up to as high as $30,000. Again, depends on what size deck you want and the type of material that you want to use to have it built. And then number five would be your heating and air conditioning systems. So rough cost estimate for those would be around $8,000 to $12,000, and that would be per system. So if you have a large home that needs 2 or even 3 systems, then that would be times 3.
So as you can see, these are just a handful of issues that can come up on a home inspection, and it can get costly. But don't panic, because any repairs are generally negotiated between buyer and seller. So if these things come up, it can be negotiated amongst the parties. So the most important thing is, if you buy a house, you should get a home inspection done to protect yourself. That's the big message that we want to send today. So if you have any questions about home inspections, or you would like to schedule a home inspection, please feel free to reach out to me or Glenn. Our contact information is below on the screen. And as always, we appreciate you tuning in and look forward to seeing you next time. Take care.
Thanks.